I'm making a video, I'm just letting you know.
I love my pin.
That's my pin. Oh my god, I'm just realizing that. Oh man, no.
Give me my pin!
Okay, you ready to see me?
Me!
I'm up.
Oh. Holy shit, you might say me. Give me the damn camera, babe. Thank you. Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you. That's me again. Say hello. Hello. Oh. My bad.
My god.
Honey, you're not old. You're not even a bounce. Okay, I'm good. Get her back now.
On your boobs.
My boobs get in the way. Don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. I'm a good person. Don't hurt me.
Aha, you're not in it. What's my heart?
That's so pretty. Can I lick the camera? Just,
What?
can I lick the camera?
No, you cannot lick my camera. Lick it.
I like the camera. Megan likes to lick things.
No, I don't. You just licked my camera. You said I like to lick things?
You like to lick other things.
Ew, not.
Hello? You know you like it. Like it's a little bunny.
Look at the little bunny. Bink. Bink.
Don't do that.
How you doing, baby? What's happening?
That's you.
How?
That's you right there. You.
You like this? You want it?
Everyone likes an ugly Mexican. For sure.
What you got against Mexicans?
I'm a Mexican too.
Are you really?
No!
Oh god, I'm about to fall off my bed. I don't want to get makeup on my pillow.
Or shit, my mouth.
Stack your bricks up to the sky. You look like Michael Jackson.
I'm gonna rape you! I'm gonna rape you! Ew, yes, ew. I'm gonna rape you.
No, you can't sound like that.
I'm gonna rape you. Can you sleep? Can you crawl through your window? Starting with this one right here. Yeah. For sure.
I don't wear my heart on my sleeve. I wear my heart on my face.
For sure. You
No.
can't sing it.
I don't want to see.
Oops.
I'm kidding about the whole heart on my face thing. But it is
have a
there.
heart on your face, retard.
Bet you didn't know I had a mole right there.
Isn't that sexy?
You didn't know that.
She's talking to you. You. She wants to lick you.
No.
She's alive.
I got an itch.
It's that shit, bitch.
Oh baby, I'm on my baby. Oh yeah, it says Trix, not Twix.
Oh, read the boobs.
Spanky.
Read the boobs.
Read the boobs. Read the boobs.
Mine says think.
Her boobs say think.
Think. Think. Okay, go.
did?
We did.
Oh. My head! I got makeup.
I got it on my face. I mean, my finger.
I'm so glad to know that your finger's your face now. Metal claw.
I don't like you.
Shut that pot that was got off of me.
And I said the first up, bitch.
That's how I started.
Oh my god.
That's how I got better.
You know what? I guess I'll just get better over time.
Every time.
Over time, bitch. Ugh. Word. Can't slip my fingers. There we go. I bounce. I mean, it's not the video. What the fuck are you doing my lip for? Peace. Yeah. Oh shit.
I got punched in the eye.
Hi, me.
I have allergies too. You see my nose?
Should do a good buzz, Ben.
I'm a guy.
Oh, my bad. I'm dead.
Yeah.
Ow, my hair's stuck! My hair's stuck on the wheel.
Pull it.
Ow!
Ooh, my dad's gonna like.
Are you recording me?
Huh?
Are you recording me?
Huh?
Did you record?
Yeah. My parents are gonna kill us. Away they go. Does that amuse you? I'm gonna go do the dirty. Not. I'm a guy. I like the girl. That's a woman. Oh, that's a guy. It didn't make sense. That's a guy over there too. Oh, you just licked my limbs. No, I didn't. Oh, thought you did. Okay. Okay, we're out. Peace.